Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own churros. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You'll need about 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, and vegetable oil for frying. Don't forget a piping bag with a star-shaped nozzle and a deep pot for safe frying. Having these ready ensures a smooth cooking process from start to finish. Now let's create the churro dough. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of butter, and a pinch of salt. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil. Once boiling, remove it from the heat and quickly stir in 1 cup of all-purpose flour until a smooth, thick dough forms. Let it cool for about 5 to 10 minutes before transferring it to your piping bag. This step is crucial for the churro's texture. It's time for the exciting part, frying. Heat about 3 to 4 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pipe 4 to 6 inch strips of dough directly into the hot oil. Fry them until they are beautifully golden brown, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Remember, fry in small batches to maintain oil temperature and ensure even cooking. Almost there. Once your churros are perfectly golden, carefully remove them from the oil and drain them on paper towels to absorb any excess oil. While still warm, toss them generously in a delightful mixture of 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Serve these delicious treats immediately with your favorite chocolate dipping sauce or a rich dulce de leche for an unforgettable experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.